Welcome to C49 Hockey Breaks box break number 39. And today we have a box of 17-18 Upper Deck Premier. This we featured the box on the 12 Days of Christmas, and it was not that great of a box. So hopefully we can do a little bit better this time around. This is box number 340. No auto on the tin, as I know you can get autograph tins from 17-18. Fairly thick pack, so hopefully some goodies in this one. Let's slide the decoy in. Alright. Let's see, bottom card base. No, we'll start with the jersey from the bottom. Premier Rookies jersey of Nick Merkley. Top base card. Number 209 of 249, Filip Forsberg. Number 207 of 399 of Philip Schitrell. For as weird a spelling as that is for Philip, we got two Philip base cards. Different Philips, but yeah, not too bad here. Our rookie patch auto, the worst autograph in the NHL, Christian Fischer. Nice 3-color patch to go along with that very terrible autograph. That I think my 6-year-old cousin could have done. Continuing on. Looks like we got a booklet. But here we have another Filip Forsberg. This is a jersey. No numbering on the jersey cards, but Filip Forsberg jersey card and Filip Forsberg base card. So skip over the booklet, do that last. Apparently this was a Filip box. Filip Schlappick. Gold patch, number 19 of 36. Like, let's just get how many Philips? This is kind of difficult to show off here. Just Filip. The Filip box. Could this booklet be a Filip? We have Premier signature booklets. Tyler Seguin. Not a Filip, but better than any of those Philips, player-wise. Forsberg's pretty good, but Tyler Seguin, signature booklets. This box was definitely better than the one on the 12 Days of Christmas. Quick recap: Tyler Seguin, signature booklet. We have the Christian Fischer rookie patch auto. That is numbered 37 of 299. I don't believe I said the numbering to begin with. Then we have the Nick Merkley jersey card. And then we have all our Philips. Philip Forsberg, Philip Schlappick, Philip Forsberg, and Philip Schreitel. Or Scheitel. Whatever the hell you say his last name. The Philip box. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes box break number 39. If you did enjoy this, leave a like. Comment below what you would like to see broken on future breaks. And make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss future breaks.